Look at the detail on the scan.
All right, steady tension.
Increasing tension now.
Sector Gamma, confirmed buffing complete on lower plates.
Hold the plate steady. Lower it slowly now.
Look at the detail on the scan. Have we seen this structure before?
No, this is new data. Adjusting the depth scan now.
Confirmed contact. Proceed slowly. We've got a nameplate coming through the silt.
Surface to pilot, continue descent. Tension at 5,000. Winches engage.
Sirring låna sig där över is one som done.
Acknowledged.
Look at the anomaly near the keel. Rerunning the sequence to confirm the structure. Zoom in on grid reference 4B. The level of corrosion here is significant.
Confirming high-resolution scan now.
Steady tension. We are lowering the bags now.
Copy that. Bags are at 50 meters and sinking. Maintain course.
Swing the crane to position 3.
Acknowledged. Moving to 3. Watch the starboard line. Lower it slowly. Watch the tension. We are almost clear.
Starboard side secure, boss.
All systems synchronized. Begin descent sequence now.
Roger that. Descending to preload, 40 meters and holding.
Copy. 40 meters. Deck is clear.
Command acknowledged. Buoyancy modules at 80% capacity. Load distribution remains stable. Requesting authorization for final inflation stage.
Ordnance located. Confirmed active scan. Moving to bypass.
The stress on the keel is critical, right here in the red zone.
I see it.
The load-bearing capacity is failing faster than projected.
We need to
All decks, secure from resurfacing stations.
Helm, steady as she goes. Course 090.
Weapons status, report readiness.
Easy now, slow the descent on the starboard side. Watch the clearance. All right, bring her down steady.
Look at the corrosion here near the waterline. We need a closer look. I'm getting a 15% variance on the ultrasound. Check the tension on brace 12B.
Reading steady at 500 kilonewtons. Looks good.
The forward port stabilizer is showing critical stress levels at this wave height.
Reroute the buoyancy calculations and check the structural integrity against the new parameters.
The fire control schematic shows this connection point here.
Right, but the archaeological survey says not to disturb the surrounding area.
We have the load secured. Continue the ascent and traverse east.
All cables and braces on this section are verified and secured. The hull is fully stabilized.
Over.
Take a look at this section on the monitor. Yeah, the scanner is showing some thinning here. We have visual confirmation from the ROV feed.
The stress load on the Class B armor plating is concentrated right here near the main turret.
So the initial design didn't...
Be careful with the escapement wheel. It looks corroded right here.
I see it. The schematic confirms the tolerance is extremely tight on this model.
Bring that beam down slowly, watch the starboard side. Copy that. We need more hands on the polishing machines over here.
Look at this reading on the elbow joint. That's a critical stress riser right there.
I see the corrosion zone. We should recommend immediate replacement.
The breach here on the starboard side is extensive. We need to stabilize this section immediately.
Truly remarkable craftsmanship, even in ruin.
Keep the pressure steady on sector 4. Copy that. Moving the heavy buffer now.
Sector Gamma, confirm buffing complete on lower plates. We are moving to Sector Delta.
Hold the plate steady. Lower it slowly now. Watch the starboard side. Clear the area below.